A really valuable tool that you have access to in any Udemy course is the Q&A section, okay? I'm going to show you how to get to that, and you can use it and get the most out of this course using this tool. So any course that you go to, I'm using this one, the photorealistic digital painting course, as an example, but this is going to hold true for any course that you're doing. If you click on the course, it'll bring you to the overview, or it might bring you to the course content if you've already started the course. So if we clicked on this tab here, it should bring us to the course content. You can see all the lectures, right? But if it starts out on overview, course content, or you might start out on bookmarks or announcements or something like that, what you want to click on here is the Q&A tab, okay? So that's the one we're going to click on. Then you can see up here at the top, you can either search for a question, for example, what brush are you using? And it will bring up anything related to that, right? Which just shows that there aren't any questions related to that, but if we go to shorten that a little bit, we might come up with some different ones, like maybe canvas size, color problem. But let's say we did do what brush we're using and we can't find anything that relates to our search. What we can go ahead and do is just ask a new question, put the title of the question here. I'm just gonna put title, and then we'll put an example here. Okay. So you put your question in here, you can add a photo. So for example, maybe you want to get some feedback, go ahead and take a photo of whatever you're working on, whatever the current lecture or assignment is, post it in the Q&A, and then leave a question, right? You just click post question and it'll post it. I'll be able to see it. Other people will also be able to see it if they're looking for something similar. Now what I recommend is making sure that before you post a question, checking to see if someone else has already asked. It helps free up my time to be able to make more courses, and it'll help save you time because you won't have to wait for me to respond if it's already been answered, okay? If not, just go ahead and make a new question. Then you can come down here and you can sort the questions that have already been asked. So sort by recency or by the most popular questions, right? You could see what people have asked. You could see how many responses there are so far, right? And then you can check these boxes to see the ones you're following and the ones that already have responses, and so on and so forth. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can load more and see all of them. Okay, and it'll just keep loading as many as there are. So be sure to take advantage of that. Use this to put your assignments in there and to get feedback, or if you just have questions about different lectures and you need help with, go ahead and utilize this. It's a really useful tool. And it also helps me as an instructor, because the more that Udemy sees people using the Q&A section, then the more they'll promote my course, which is good for me as well. So that's it for this lecture. I'll see you guys in the next one.